totally out of luck. I don't have enough time to make it again. Oh, I hope so. My active psoriasis.
Rinvoq is not a steroid, topical, or injection. It's one pill once a day. Many take Rinvoq so clear or almost clear skin, while some up to 100% clear skin. And they felt now and fast itch relief. Some as early as 2 days. That's Rinvoq relief.
Preventing us from having sovereignty over our bodies.
I'm depicting the first 3 letters of students' names on a school attendance list. My students. In schools, gender is codified in strict ways.
My question to you is about the relationship between encaustic, which is one of the oldest media of painting, with the idea of
that. But the more I've seen it and the more time that's passed, the more I really realize how much I loved it, how badass it was, and such a punk rock move to take it the other direction, and he did it so well. And the score, Rock Banyos, who did the score for Evil Dead, that score, I think is it's definitely top 5 horror movie scores of all time for me. That haunting piano motif that kind of starts the movie.
So, that's right. Ended it, and I'm like, come on in, I'm all in now, so like, I can't wait.
It's gonna be good. Alright, hopefully we'll have, here, by the way, so, just in case you're listening, obviously we do not have a guest this episode. But that doesn't mean we're not going to have any guests on future episodes. It's something we're working on. We're working on some guests that we're very excited about, and we really hope to do it.
Hello, everybody. Today is Saturday. I have to work today, so I also want to take a little walk later through the neighborhood just for a little bit. So yeah, about to leave the house. Check you out later.
things in mind, but the first one I'm very, very, very sad about because this show finally came to an end after 4 seasons, and you know, not because my celebrity crush is on the show and I'm gonna miss her, but can you guess what I'm talking about?
You guessing about Servant?
That's it.
You better not spoil that fucking show, dude. We have not seen.
Just stop there.
Stop there.
Just say
Where did you stop? What episode did you stop?
I don't want to give it away to anybody else.
Well, you're just explaining.
We're
like 3 episodes.
We're like
4 episodes.
3 episodes away from finishing it. We're just after Zoo.
Episode 7.
I think we're just after Zoo. We're at the episode after Zoo.
Okay, you're close. Yeah. I just gotta say, wow. You know.
That sounds good.
That's
Moving
great.
on.
Yeah.
Nice.
So she wrote and Emily directed episode 9, which is interesting because I thought he would direct the series finale episode, but he chose to do episode 9 for a very specific reason. After that episode ends past the credits, because you know sometimes it bumps you to the next episode, so you have to select it to stay on the episode. Watch past the credits because there's like a 5-minute. It's like, oh, we were fucking pate and shit. Like, more shit. Like,
Yeah, octopus.
Yeah, it is kind of weird stuff. It always makes it look really good.
Every newscast. I mean, not every newscast that is campy,
Yeah.
like over the top stupid.
This is Saturday traffic, people. About to come up on my exit pretty soon for work. Just really surprises me. I guess there's a lot of people that work Saturdays. I mean, now there didn't used to be a Saturday rush hour, sort of morning rush, but it appears that there is now. So anyway, I guess that's what we have to deal with. This is my exit here. Alright, I better concentrate. I guess someone else had to work today.